No. You better go to the hospital and get treated instead of going after that snake who beats you. Understood? So my last and final words from everyone, hindi final words ha. Okay. What I'm going to tell you this time, as a teacher, you have all the responsibilities with your kids, with your parents, and everyone around you. Do something. Innovate. Be resourceful. Never mind the Marites and the Marisol in your life. Go ahead. Amo lang na imahambal ko sa imo. Kay nga, part ka sa community, you're part of that little spirit, little kid nga ara sa imo position. Amo na base sa ulihi ang mapresidente, madumduman niya ka. Yes? Yes, of course. That's why build them up, don't destroy them. Okay? So thank you very much for coming. Grabe inyo anto sa akon. And I'll be seeing you maybe real soon. Pray for that project and that program na ginatag ni Mayor sa inyo. And please say thank you to all the staff of LGU Sipalay. Grabe ila sakripisyo for 5 long days na ari man ko diri. And I can see that. Kabay pa nga namit ang inyong food kay, yes, that's courtesy of OFG Catering. Konami ito siya. Alright, thank you very much everyone. See you all around. Bye!